Meaning of inappropriateness.
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 Inappropriateness. Inappropriateness refers to something that is not suitable or appropriate for a particular situation. It implies that the behavior, action, or language used is not socially or morally acceptable. The consequences of such behavior can vary depending on the context and severity of the inappropriateness. In some cases, it may lead to social isolation, damage to reputation, or legal consequences. It is important to maintain cultural sensitivity and respect for others to avoid causing offense or harm through inappropriate actions or behaviors.